Hey guys, this is a quick update on the CRF 250 Rally. Just did a new mod, Moose Racing Contour Handlebar Kit. Fit perfect on the Rally. I also changed to a 7/8 competition bar from Moose Racing, their aluminum bar. I bent my bars. Stock bars are not good at all, so highly recommend changing them. But as far as the contour bars from Moose, price is right. Can't beat the price. Sorry about my dog, she's a little crazy. Price is right, and they went on really good. Pretty easy installation. They just fit perfectly with the stock brake levers and clutch levers, so all good here. Just let you guys give a little post on my new upgrade.